Hey guys, I'm here with you today reviewing 3 products from PRZRVE in the Rinse and Go series. Watch along the video and I'm gonna tell you why I bring these now on all of my guiding backpacking trips. And while I'm definitely going to be bringing them any hiking trips that I go with my dog and ultralight backpacking trips in the future. So stick with us, check it out. These products are awesome and we're gonna check out them a little bit more. So I'm excited and let's get to the video. The Rinse and Go gear packet by PRZRVE is a small and compact combination with the Rinse and Go Duo, the travel kit, the light, and the bag. If you scan this QR code, it'll show you more on the demonstration, which I've included some in my video as well. But the Rinse and Go light is your 0.28 ounce design, and the Duo is slightly more, a little bit more than double, but double is capable. This goes over how you use them, which I highlighted in my video and outlined the pros and cons and its capabilities. And it just goes over what some of its uses are and what it's made out of a high-grade plastic, and it's great for, as you can see, dogs and gear and hot days, just cooling off and everything else. So this cool little thing came in my package, and it'll kind of outline even more so than what the video does, and more. So check it out. And it comes with a cool cap, as you can see, and all you do with the cap is you pull back. And obviously I'm not going to drink this water, but it has a cool cap just like that, where you can see that it will pour out into your water bottle or in anything else. As a guide, I definitely bring a lot of water with me, so this is going to be essential to keep with me at all times. So what I'm going to do with this, and as you can see, this just comes in this little kit right here, and it just easily fits in here. You can put it on a string on your pack or in your pack. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this with hand sanitizer and soap and use this in case, you know, I'm hiking with my dogs, they get muddy paws, or if any of my clients on my backpacking trips, you know, want to wash their hands, or just myself in general, just to avoid, you know, getting sick. This thing weighs almost nothing. I mean, it's a lightweight material, and this is a much needed and definitely a much needed, say, a weight add to the backpack. So this little kit right here is definitely something that I'm going to be adding to my backpack adventures for sure. So do me a favor, go to PRZRVE's website, check out their products, definitely worth a buy. Especially this kit right here. Tell them I sent you. I'll put all the links down below in the video, and tell them I sent you. It's an overcast day, so it's perfect for this, but I definitely think I'm going to keep this in my guided gear for sure. You can never go wrong with more water and staying clean. I mean, that's just, these are the 2 basic building blocks of life. So yeah, PRZRVE, you guys are doing it right. Keep it up. I like this. I definitely think that everybody should have this, whether you're a shit hit the fan kind of guy, you're a prepper, you're a backpacker, you have dogs, you're just a weekend camper guy, whatever you are, but definitely give this a go. Just makes everything easier, and yeah, so this cool little thing, as you can see, it has an adapter where you can put it on any different water bottle you want. And what PRZRVE does is they put it on a little device here with a clip and some seals so that you don't lose it, obviously. And what you do is you just attach it to the water bottle that they have, And it comes out just like this. Obviously there's only 400 milliliters of liquid in here, but it'll clean whatever you want, obviously, when you're done. But if you wanted to make it obviously a concentrated stream, you just hold it towards whatever you like. Alright, well, that's going to wrap it up for my first look at the PRZRVE RinseGO systems and their other gear. Shout out and thanks to those guys over there and that team. I really do appreciate it, and seriously, thanks for letting me check it out. This thing's just plain cool. It's rugged, ultralight, portable, and it makes rinsing off and cleaning up after a long day on the trail a luxury. This is the kind of gear you didn't know you needed it until you needed or had it. I'll be diving in deeper to this thing as I carry with me on the trail, so stick around for some more content, or you'll see it in some of my videos. So if you're curious, do me a favor, head over to RinseGO.ca and check it out for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.